First morning. I don't know what time it is. Pretty early though. It rained all night. It was pretty cold, but we were okay. It's still kind of raining now. Looks like we're in for an overcast day. Everything's drenched. Last night we put up this bear rope. It looks like it sank a bunch during the night. This is where you put all your food at night so bears can't get to it, although it looks like a bear could get to this. I swear last night it was up a lot higher. Time to get that down, get a fire going, try to get some breakfast and some coffee. Right, Taylor? Middle of day 2. We're pretty cold and wet, but I'm confident the sun's gonna come out. It's peeking out those clouds over there. We made breakfast this morning. It was some oatmeal and a lot of peanut butter and a lot of honey. Jake and Connor are out trying to catch some fish. Taylor's tending to the fire like he always is. We're gonna make lunch here pretty soon. Peace. Middle of day 2. We're still cold, but and the sun still hasn't come out. We're not wet anymore though. Jake's been just pulling the trout right out of Jasper Lake. Got him strung up here. One actually got away though. We just had lunch. Nothing makes you appreciate crackers and peanut butter and salami and cheese like hunting and gathering it yourself in the supermarket right before coming on a trip and then eating it. So here we are. We're gonna fish the rest of the afternoon. I might do some reading, probably gather a bunch of firewood, get ready for a feast tonight. Second day. My allergies are going crazy, but I don't even care because the sun finally came out and heated up. It's getting dark now, so you can't see the sun, but much less overcast, and it's way less windy. It's a lot warmer. And we just had now some dinner. Now we're gonna do some more fishing, just hang out. Taylor's making some coffee. Jake's getting ready to catch something like a sturgeon. Nah, we've only eaten one sturgeon. Gonna catch some fish. I feel it. This cast right here. This cast right here.
To see what's real, to finally heal. How will I cope without your word? How will I cope without your heartbeat? How will I cope without your love? How will I cope without your word? How will I cope without your
Taylor spotted a moose on the other side. We can see it, but you probably can't see it on there.
It's kind of odd. It was a little bit brighter.
With your hand on your heart, oh please tell me, will I cope?
Yeah, there we go. Do that.
I got even more firepower if you want
Who the hell are these guys? Morning of day 3. It got super cold last night. Oh man, we were not doing good. It was very cold, but sun came out today. The skies are blue. The water is glassy. Gonna eat some breakfast. Then we're gonna take down camp. Then we're gonna start paddling. We have a campsite we're trying to get to tonight. So today will be a travel day. Thank God the sun's out. Ready to get some coffee and get going. Alright, day 3, we're off. That was our campsite back there. Just a couple small portages today and then kind of a long paddle, but it's looking pretty calm. I hope it's that calm out on Seagull. Absolutely beautiful morning. It's gonna be awesome. Here we are again, portaging. Taylor's behind me somewhere.